What's up everybody, Kid right here. So yeah, a month ago we saw our first live look of the Huawei's Mate 30 Pro, which gives us a good idea about the overall look of the smartphone. And today again we have our best look of the Huawei's Mate 30 Pro leaked. So two photos seemingly show the phone from the front and back. The images were shared on Weibo and show a phone that looks a lot like that previous smartphone which was spotted in a subway. So yeah, this is our third live look of the Huawei's Mate 30 Pro. If we look at the picture, this case right there secures a lot of things, but we can see that the screen is steeply curved. Yes, the Huawei's Mate 30 Pro is featuring waterfall display which looks absolutely stunning. And yeah, there's also a large notch.
WTF!
Another notable thing is this flashlight. Guys, this flash unit is basically a xenon flash. If we don't know what xenon flashlights are, basically these are flashlights which were used in Nokia Lumia smartphones, and guys, believe me, this is likely to be more powerful than a typical smartphone flashlight. The cameras of the smartphone are hidden by the case. There is an odd black thing on the top of the smartphone. It's unclear what purpose that serves. It could be a part of the case, but right now we don't have enough information about this thing. Other things that we can see includes a power and volume buttons on the right edge, while a hole on the top edge could be for an infrared blaster because it's too small to be a headphone port. And guys, also Huawei filed an application that suggests that the company might also launch a 30 voltage wireless charging pad for the Huawei Mate 30 series phones. Just think, 30 voltage wireless charging. This is quite impressive and faster than even wired charging standard sporting by a majority of phones out there. This phone will be a beast. The Huawei Mate 30 range is likely to land in September or October. We should have all the official details before long, but stay tuned. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for the next video. And that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.